Hey guys, Kurt here with WMR. Today we're going to talk about the new chain tension on the new 23 KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles. The new linkage and the new shocks this year, the chain tension is a little bit different. So I'm going to walk you guys through and show you what the chain tension should be on the new 23 models. Okay, so for this procedure, we're going to need a sag scale, 30 millimeter, a 13 and a 10 millimeter wrench. Okay, so now we're going to check and see how much sag we have right now where the chain's at. It feels a little tight. So right now it looks like we're about 60 mil. The new models this year, 65 millimeters is where they want the chain tension at. Last year it was 60, but with the new linkage and the new shock, they wanted at 65 this year. So we're actually going to give this thing a little bit more play and see if we can't get that other 5 mil out of it. Okay, so now we made a little adjustment in the back here. Let's take a look and see what our sag is now. So boom, right at 65. So we'll go ahead and tighten this rear axle up. Well guys, that's a wrap on the chain adjustment for the 23 KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles. Thanks for watching.